In the midst of conflict, the repair and restoration of damaged military equipment is crucial in maintaining the strength and readiness of our armed forces. In the Avdiivka direction, military personnel of the repair units have organized a point for this exact purpose. In this remote location, specialists work tirelessly to carry out major overhauls of engines for both automobiles and armored vehicles. Through their expertise, faulty parts are replaced and the restored units are then launched on a special stand for testing. It takes our skilled military personnel no more than 3 days to repair an engine, and based on the results of their work, the equipment is then returned to service, ready for battle once again. But it's not just engines that are repaired here. In the repair shops, military specialists also carry out repairs on faulty electrical equipment of combat vehicles, ensuring that every system is functioning at its best. These skilled individuals are capable of repairing almost any type of damage and restoring various systems. Not only do they bring back armored vehicles and vehicles to service, but they also work on multiple launch rocket systems and towed artillery pieces. The dedication of our military personnel goes beyond their professional expertise. They also live in specially equipped premises, located deep underground for protection from enemy artillery fire. These living quarters are equipped with everything necessary for them to carry out their duties effectively. In these challenging conditions, our military personnel continue to show their unwavering commitment and resilience in ensuring that our armed forces are always prepared for battle. Strength, dedication, and resilience. These are the qualities that define our military personnel of the repair units, as they tirelessly work to restore and repair damaged military equipment in field conditions.
Надо будет рассказать, что это такое. Именно политика. Что это такое,